This is CED Magazine's Video Product Showcase. I'm Stuart Schley, and I'm standing with Yossi Glick, co-founder of Jinni, which is really quite an astonishing system for discovering and introducing yourself to content in this sea of content that we face today. So thanks for taking some time to be with us.
Sure.
There's a lot to talk about, but let me start with a concept that's central to what you guys do, the interplay between man and machine, human and machine, the sense of trust that needs to be built. How do you deal with that?
That's a good one. We try to figure out what the people like, or what are their personalities with respect to consumption. We are also very transparent about it. We tell the people, you are a person who loves to see wedding clever movies. Sometimes you are interested to watch violent spree like Clock Orange, and sometimes you are into Victorian movies. So with this kind of transparency, even if you don't have 100% agreement, when you have transparency, people trust you. Also, when we build recommendation, we explain it. So explanation also helps to build trust between man and machine.
These explanations are rendered in the form, can be rendered in the form of channels that mirror sort of the way you think of content.
The explanation actually comes in the form of tags that show common denominators. So what is the common? If I really like Little Miss Sunshine, I will say that Pieces of April is a similar movie because both of them are offbeat, both of them are family eccentric, both of them are about dysfunctional family. So you can really associate, if you remember Little Miss Sunshine as a movie you enjoyed, now you understand the reason you enjoyed, so you can relate why I should watch now Pieces of April.
Behind the scenes, you're drawing from this sea of conversation that occurs all the time among people who like entertainment and video.
Yeah, indeed.
I know that the machine you've developed can tell me about live TV content, it can tell me about internet video content, you've amalgamated it all. But the world is clearly going toward this place where most, and maybe someday all content is on demand. Can you accommodate that world?
Oh, of course. I think that's maybe one of the biggest challenge. If you ask yourself like the question, what if one day 100% of the content is on demand? So what will replace the channels app? Everybody is so used to having the channels app, so now you need to give a substitution for that. We believe that using our genome as using natural metaphors, language from the categories of taste, mood, praise, structure, type of humor, and you allow the user to use multiple conditions to squeeze your search. So instead of saying genre drama, you can use I'm looking for humorous biting, and later on you can further squeeze your search by adding one more condition like soul or something like that.
Okay.
So that can quickly, exponentially reduce your set and satisfy what you're looking for instead of going sequentially through a large set of libraries.
In many ways, it's kind of the way we think about in our heads what to watch on television.
So we say, search like you speak, or think like you, search like you think. Yeah, that's and the language that we are using here actually derived from the language that people use over the internet. So when we look at user reviews, humorous, biting, witty, that's the way people write reviews. So we did not invent the language. The language was adopted, translated in by the user.
Yossi, thanks for taking some time. There's a lot to talk about here, but a fascinating product, and glad to hear about it. For CED Magazine Video Product Showcase, this is Stuart Schley.